Hey guys, today we're doing a drip top glitch. Obviously the passwords are lol123, but that doesn't really matter right now. Anyway, yes, this is on USA. So anyway, we're gonna try and get Diamond Pack Rares, and if it's VIP, which I'm hoping it is, I just wanna quickly learn. You ruined my video. Anyway, so I've made the account. So I want to have the food later. I want to have it later. Okay, it's time to do my magic. But Banana Mississippi, are you ready? Banana Mississippi, ooh, level 2. Yeah, sorry, I have a lot of winter cheeks. I went a bit crazy when I saw that you can do things in friend section. And that doesn't matter right now, does it? Anyway, I've sent the drip top. It's time to see. Yes! Oh, I'd rather do it with Fame Lady Drip Cap and Drip Top. But my main left me, so I can't do that right now. I might as well. Now I'm locked out. Why is it locked in? Get off. Get off my account, wherever you are. Come off my account. Are you off? Oh my god. How is it still on? What the hell? If I click that, will it come off? It's still online. Why is my account online? You know what, we'll just ignore it. It'll come off in its own time. Block. Unblock. Let's send it a friend request and see if it'll accept. That'll be weird. Aha! Ho! Ho ho. I would have known if it was online, guys, trust me. Apple Mississippi. Like, we're going for fruity Mississippi. This is Mississippi, that's what I meant. Mommy, I want to have it later! See, she's offline. Because I made it offline. Might as well save up star coins and buy my wish list. Oh crap. Come on, Bexy, I need to go on mute. Ugh. She's so annoying. I don't want to eat right now. What don't you understand about that? God's sake. I'll just use sticky notes instead. Oh, bye guys, I have to go.